In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can add a different header to different pages in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First is you just need to open your document. So I have this document from here. Then we are going just to click at the top and this header will appear. Then I'm just going to add the header in here. And now we have the same header for page 1 and for page 2. So how can we make this that the header will not be the same for each pages, okay? So click on the layout tab and here you'll find breaks, this one. Click on this drop down and choose continuous, okay? And after that, double click on the header. Then we are going to type in here document 1 and for the second, it's document 2. And you have here link to previous. Simply click on it to unlink it to the previous. So you have here document 1 and document 2. Now if I'm going to double click on the open space, you will see that there are different headers for different pages in Microsoft Word. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.